Do you ever feel like your mind is constantly racing or foggy? What if I told you that a few simple changes in your daily routine could clear your thoughts? Welcome to Kay's Calm Kit, where today we delve into the power of daily habits and their profound impact on mental clarity. Imagine transforming your day-to-day life into a more focused and peaceful journey. Stick with us as we explore simple yet effective habits that can not only clear your mind but also enhance your overall well-being. Whether you are looking to boost your productivity or just feel more at peace, these tips are designed to help you achieve a clearer state of mind. Let's get started. Habits are invisible architecture of our daily lives. They shape our waking hours, influence our choices, and subtly steer our mental, emotional, and physical health. Think of them as the autopilot settings of our existence, consistently guiding our actions and reactions. But not all habits are created equal. While negative habits can clutter our minds and derail our focus, positive habits act as catalysts for mental clarity and effectiveness. Incorporating structured, beneficial practices into our routines can transform chaotic energy into focused action, allowing us to navigate our days with greater peace and purpose. By cultivating habits that promote mental clarity, we empower ourselves to make better decisions, manage our emotions more effectively, and reduce the mental fog that so often hampers our productivity. These habits don't just clear the mind, they enhance our entire well-being, making every day more rewarding. So, as we explore these transformative habits, think about the ones that currently shape your day. Are they helping you achieve clarity and peace? If not, it might be time to adjust your autopilot settings for a smoother, clearer journey through life. Practical daily habits of enhanced mental clarity. Let's start with one of the most effective habits for gaining mental clarity: meditation. Meditation isn't just a spiritual practice. It's a practical tool for reducing stress and sharpening focus. By calming the mind, meditation clears away the noise of everyday life, allowing for a heightened sense of awareness and concentration. If you are new to meditation, here is a simple way to get started. Focus on your breathing. Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Concentrate on the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Try this for just 5 minutes a day, and you will begin to notice a significant shift in your mental state. If a thought comes to your mind, acknowledge it and let it go like clouds in the sky. Don't judge it. For those who want to explore deeper meditation, we have created a detailed guide that covers various techniques. You can find this video later by clicking the link in the description below or the pop-up at the top right of this video. It's a great resource for anyone looking to enhance their practice and experience even greater benefits. Meditation can be a cornerstone habit for mental clarity. By making it part of your daily routine, even briefly, you open the door to a more focused and peaceful life. Our next life-enhancing habit is journaling. More than just a diary, journaling is a powerful tool for organizing your thoughts and clearing mental clutter. It allows you to externalize what's on your mind, helping you to see things more clearly and objectively. Journaling can transform your thought processes by providing a space to sort through your ideas, reflect on your day, and declutter your emotions. The act itself encourages a deeper self-awareness and helps you to focus on what truly matters. If you are new to journaling, start with something simple. Each morning or evening, jot down 3 things you are grateful for, or perform a brain dump where you write everything that comes to mind without judgment. These can release mental pressure and foster a positive mindset. For those interested in the scientific benefits of journaling and more detailed techniques, we've created a comprehensive video. You can check it out by clicking the link in the description below or the pop-up at the top right of this video. It's packed with information and tools to enhance your journaling practice. Incorporating journaling into your daily routine can be a game changer for mental clarity. It's a simple habit that yields significant psychological rewards. Moving on to our third habit for mental clarity, structured daily planning. The way you organize your day can significantly influence your mental state. Effective planning reduces the overwhelm and helps combat decision fatigue, allowing you to navigate your day with confidence and clear focus. Without a plan, each decision requires mental energy, which can lead to stress and a muddled mind. By setting a clear plan for your day, you allocate your mental resources efficiently, keeping your mind sharp and your goals in sight. Start by using a planner or a digital app each morning or the night before. List your tasks and prioritize them. Determine which are the most critical and tackle these first. This not only ensures you are productive, but also keeps your mind from feeling scattered. Structured planning helps clear the mental clutter by removing the incessant "what's next" question. It channels your energy into effective action, keeping you mentally sharp and focused throughout the day. Embrace planning as a daily habit and watch how it transforms your day-to-day life, boosting your productivity and enhancing your mental clarity. Our fourth crucial habit for achieving mental clarity is regular physical exercise. Exercise does more than just improve your physical health. It's also a key component of mental wellness. Engaging in physical activity increases blood flow throughout your body, including to your brain. This enhanced circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your brain cells, boosting alertness and improving cognitive function. You don't need to engage in intense workouts to reap these benefits. Incorporating short, regular sessions of moderate exercise into your daily routine can be incredibly effective. A 30-minute walk, a morning yoga session, or even a brief dance break at home can significantly clear your mind and sharpen your focus. Start by scheduling these activities into your day as you would any important appointment. Consistency is key. Regular physical exercise not only keeps your body healthy, but also ensures your mind remains clear and ready to tackle any challenge. Make exercise a staple in your daily routine, and you will soon notice a significant improvement in both your mental clarity and overall energy levels. Our final habit to enhance mental clarity is mindful eating. What we eat has a profound impact on our brain function and consequently our mental clarity. Nutrition plays a crucial role in cognitive health. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other nutrients directly support brain function by reducing inflammation and providing the energy our brain needs to operate efficiently. Incorporating brain-boosting foods into your diet can be both enjoyable and beneficial. Aim to include items like walnuts, blueberries, and fatty fish like salmon in your meals. These foods not only enhance cognitive function, but also improve your overall health. Mindful eating involves paying attention to what you eat and how it affects your body and mind. Try to be present as you eat, savoring each bite, and noticing how different foods make you feel. For those who want to dive deeper into the science behind nutrition and mental clarity, check out our detailed video on mindful eating. You will find the link in the description below or the pop-up at the top right of this video. By being mindful of your diet, you are not only nurturing your body, but also clearing and sharpening your mind. It's a delicious way to boost your mental clarity. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these habits have you tried and how have they impacted your mental clarity? Or do you have any other practices that helps keep your mind sharp? Share your experiences in the comments below. We can all learn from each other and grow together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more practical wellness tips, and share it with friends or family who might also benefit from these daily habits. Your support helps us bring more contents like this to you. Let's quickly recap. Today, we explored 5 transformative habits that can significantly enhance your mental clarity: meditation, journaling, structured daily planning, regular physical exercise, and mindful eating. Each of these habits can help you lead a more focused and fulfilling life. Why not start incorporating at least one of these habits into your daily routine? Choose one that resonates with you and begin your journey towards a clearer mind today. Remember, small steps can lead to big changes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights into enhancing your mental health and well-being. Stay focused, stay healthy, and take control of your mental clarity one habit at a time. Much love.